Welcome again to my YouTube channel. This is Pascal Concept Photography, and today I'll be showing you how to Duotone your image, to just make it beautiful, dynamic, and creative. It's all about adding a particular color to the highlight part of the image and another color to the shadow part of the image. So let me show you how I achieve this. So this was how this image was shot. This is it. So I'm going to show you how I achieved it. How I achieved this. So Duotone is all about adding a particular color to the highlights, and then you add another color to the shadow part of the image. Okay. So what I did to this image was that after the retouching, I cropped and then I added the red lights before I did the Duotone. So let's go. Let me show you. Yeah. All right. So the first thing I want to do is I'll crop this image. Okay. Let me crop it to 8 by 10, 4 by 5. Come to your crop. 4 by 5, 8 by 10. Okay. So what I did was that I made sure it was right. Okay. Just so this is I think I crop it to this level. Okay, like this. And I move it. So okay. Alright, this after cropping, then I want the light coming from this side, and since there's it's not really a glass, it's a reflective surface, like the table was reflective. So if the light is coming from this side, definitely you should have the reflection in the glass too. So this is what I did. I selected the brush, a soft brush. So this is the brush normal. So you can increase the size.
Let's sing it one more time with faith in our hearts.
Okay. So you think it's too much, you can just reduce the opacity here. But I didn't reduce it, you can just leave it at 100% opacity. So now, because you need the reflection to down here, so what you need to do, instead of creating another layer, you can just duplicate this same layer. You duplicate it, you press Ctrl J, or you hold Alt on your keyboard and just drag this down. So this is it. So you now transform it. You press Ctrl T, Ctrl or Command T. You press Ctrl T on your keyboard, then right click and flip like this, vertical. So you bring it up like this. No, I think it's too much, so bring it up, we bring it down a bit. So I think I'm good to go like this. You can select any color. It was because a red gel was around this side, so that was why I just decided to use red, so it's to complement the image. So now the next thing you do, you can just flatten the whole image. You flatten the whole image. So you come to your channels. This is a channel. Come to channel. So click on it. Just go through them. The one that has the highest highlights, that's the one you work with mostly. So this is for green. Okay, this is blue. So which one do you think the highlight is much? You have more light on. Okay, it's the red. So you're working on the red, so you should select the red because there are more red, so it calculates and then select the dominant color. So now the next thing you do is that you hold your control on your keyboard, control command, and click inside this. So it will automatically select some parts, the place you have more highlights on. So just leave it this way, then come back to your layers. So the next thing you do is that you come down here on the adjustment layer, select solid color. Okay, so you can always change any color you want. If you want it to be green and anything, but because it was red now I worked with, so let me select red color. Okay, I think the red is okay for me here because that's the highlights red. So you click on OK. So the next thing you do, come back to the background layer, do another solid color again. So that one will now be the one that will fill in the shadows. You know, we have the highlight and shadows. So now we have this. So which color do you think will fit in more? It has to be a color that is not as light, you know, a darker shade of that same color. You can come here, you can select this, you can see, you can select here, you can select. So I prefer to select something like this here. You can see. Okay. So let me select here. I'll click on OK. And we're good to go. If you do so, you are good to go. And the beauty of Duotone is that you can always change the color. Okay, let's assume I want to change this red. Just double click on it. Double click on it. You can come here and then you change the color. Change, you know, the dominant color. Maybe you want it to be green. You don't want it to be blue. Okay, the blue doesn't make sense. You want it green, like this. You click on OK. Then the shadow, you don't want it to be this brownish red, so double click on it. Let's say I want it to be this green. Can you see? You see a beautiful Duotone. This is what I did for this image. So now, so let's see before and after. So this is what we have now. So let's see. This is what we had from the beginning of the image, and now we have this. This is beautiful. So guys, I guess this has been helpful in one way or the other. If you have any question, just drop it in the comment section and let me know. You can also tell me, let me know what you really want me to work on next. You can reach out to me on my social media, on Facebook, on Instagram. The link to my pages, they are in the description and this video. So thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.